Tyre. Today we came to change the tire of Hunter 350 and basically I verified a lot in the videos and in the market with different company tires. Finally I came to the conclusion for MRF Meteor Mogrip 140/70/17 with additional speed tire of 66s. Usually the company fitted is seat 140/70/17 66H. Usually these alphabets after 66 like S and H refer to speed. S 150 km/h. 180 km/h. I have changed the tier after 25,000 kilometers. The update of this tier, it can be used like off-road and touring mix which gives you super grip on the road as well as on the off-roading tracks. I have a ride of 200 kilometers too. Observe the difference and it was surprised that this tier with nylon has more grip and comfort and gives you a good confidence on cornering S. It costed me around 4K in Hyderabad with 3 years warranty. Here's the video of changing the tire fitting. You can find the rag ad look once it is installed, and here is the short video of ride after changing the tire. Hope you like to keep watching.